Hello, my name is Dr. Coleman. I just want to provide just a quick update on potential stock movements in terms of what I'm looking at regarding Tesla, regarding AMC. These are two main stocks. I will begin with Tesla. One of my forecasts was that if it hit 200 by the end of the week, that would be very bullish. And yesterday it closed, I believe, above 200. And in the pre-market, it showed that it was upward $207, $208. Now, when we talk about the 52-year high of Tesla, we're talking about $300 and something. And I think that there is still much more room for Tesla to go. There is a possibility that it could, before this year is over with, and even before the month of June, there is a possibility that it could break that $300 mark because it is producing more vehicles this year on track than last year. And also there was a report that for the Tesla vehicles in the state of California, they're like the number one or the number two selling vehicle in the entire state, outselling the Toyota Camry. And one of the things I think is very peculiar even about Tesla is that they are not engaging in marketing like other auto manufacturers. They do a lot of non-traditional approaches to their marketing. So it'll be interesting to see how it closes for the week. It could even exceed my thoughts. It could hit before this week is over. It can cross $210, and that would be phenomenal if it did that. So that's why I'm looking for that. AMC. Next week we have a brand new Marvel movie coming out. Part of the reason why earlier in the week AMC has shot up was because of this whole preferred seating thing. But going forward, it'll be very, very interesting to see, leading up to this Marvel movie next week, how big it does. If this movie is able to get released also in China, we can see this particular Marvel movie cross $1 billion. But we just have to wait and see. So these are my two stocks primarily I'm looking at, and then you also have to always look at SPY, because it tracks, it models the S&P 500. So it'll be very interesting to see how the S&P 500 does this week. I believe Jim Cramer is saying that he believes that we are in the bull market right now. I've seen that somewhere. I don't know if it was a tweet by him or a news post, but Jim Cramer from CNBC's position is that right now we have entered a new bull market. And if Jim Cramer is right, then what we should see this time next year, we should see the S&P 500, let's say February 2024, hit a new all-time high by that time. So I threw out a couple of dates of just interesting things to look for and to see and to test and to try to figure out. Hope you have a nice day. This is Dr. Kendall Coleman. Bye.